Hello everyone, I'm Anas Malla and welcome to Tech Safari. And in this video, let's have a look at my latest app, Be Corona Ready. So let's begin by opening the application, and now it's time to log in. So choose your favorite profile pic and your username and hit that login button. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the recent novel coronavirus 2019 pandemic has left all of us in challenging times with a life or death situation. It has indeed caused the world chaos, but it has also helped Mother Nature heal herself. It has also reminded us that while we are logged into our respective homes, it is the responsibility of every one of us and all our nations to save the earth, the only home we have. Thus, our most primary responsibility out of concern for our health and safety now is to be safe by following the before mentioned steps and guidelines with determination, discipline, unity, and teamwork, so that we can all heal ourselves from this pandemic at the earliest, driving chance for a safe, in-person WWDC 2021 next year. Thus concluding, I hope we all try our level best to precaution, prevent, protect, preserve ourselves and our health from this deadly pandemic. Thus, the most important thing we as the developer community can do now is to focus our attention on helping people with the new challenges we all are facing and take care of ourselves, and to help our community stay safe, informed and connected. And in regard, this was my project, Be Corona Ready. Introduction page. So as you can see here, we are at the dashboard page where, as you can see here, our profile picture, username and our score, presently 20 SP, where SP stands for sanitizer points. Below that we have 4 buttons. Let's get to know about each. First we have the COVID-19 tracker, which displays the current statistics. The next one being the settings button, the next one being the info button, and lastly the share button. So let's click on the first button, and that should take us to the COVID-19 tracker, where we are able to see the number of infected people, the total number of deaths, and the number of recovered for our country as well as for each state. So you can click on any state from the drag down list and we get the data. Next up we have the settings page, allowing us to update our profile pic and username, and the info page having information about COVID-19 and the app. Precaution, prevent, protect and preserve. So here we have some info about the application. At the bottom we have this button called watch intro. You can click on that to watch a basic intro of the application. Let's click on skip. Next up we have the share button, allowing us to share our score and the app with our near and dear ones to compete. So here we have this lovely little screen, share knowledge not the virus, let's compete for something good. My score is 20, download Be Corona Ready from the Google Play Store today. Next up, importantly, we have the play button, so let's hit it. So here we have 4 games. Let's play and get to know the rules of each. First off, the quiz. So here we have a question being asked with 4 options. We must select the correct answer and answer all the 5 questions to win this game. So here, let me just finish it off, and there. Now that's bullseye. We are greeted with the game wins screen, and let's hit continue. Next up, the good old jigsaw puzzle. So let me finish here, and we have it, a boy fighting coronavirus. Hooray, we won! Okay, let's click on continue. Next up, this is the most exciting section, the games which are sent for this year's Apple WWDC 2020 Swift Student Challenge. So let's hit it, and ready to fight and COVID-19 but don't know how? Here, let me help you. And let's click on continue, and here we go. We have 2 games, stay safe and protect yourself. So let's get to know about each while we play. So first off, stay safe. So it's a simple game where 3 kind of bubbles fall from the top of the screen. Bubble depicting an orange shirt person with COVID-19 symptoms and COVID-19 itself, and bubble depicting prevention methods. Sanitizer gives you 3 chances to be safe from COVID-19 even after touching a bubble with COVID-19 or a person infected with COVID-19. Collect all the bubbles depicting preventions to boost your immunity and score a full immunity level before the sanitizer is out to win the game. Now let's have a look at the second game. Protect yourself. As we can see here, we have 5 questions to answer. Every question has 2 options. Drag and drop the correct option onto the question bubble on the syllabus. Answer all of them correctly to win the game. Hooray, you win. My score is 5 and let's go back. Next, we have the Guess Me game, which is a game of unscrambling the jumbled words, which we are familiar these days through newspaper and social media about COVID-19. We also have some rewarded Easter egg ads in the middle of the application to help you boost your score with 20 sanitizer points. So that's the end, guys. Hope you liked my app and you too stay safe from COVID-19 and be healthy. Thanks for watching. Hi Lakshit.
Hi Manus.
You haven't been safe and responsible enough, and now because of that, you have been infected with coronavirus. And also you have spread coronavirus to people near you.
Doctor, I'm having a serious headache. Achoo! Cold and my muscles are paining. I'm coughing a lot. And my body temperature is higher than 99 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm having difficulty in breathing. Please do something.
If you too show similar symptoms, please visit your nearest healthcare center or call your medical care number for a COVID-19 test. So, be safe from coronavirus infection, be smart and inform yourself about it. Be kind and support one another.